and today we are going to study about the next chapter, that is Heron's formula. So before discussing Heron's formula, we must know certain terms, that is perimeter. So what is perimeter? It is the outside boundary of any closed shape. To find the perimeter, we need to add all the sides of the given shape. It means that any object, so if we have to calculate the perimeter of any object, what we have to do? We have to move on the boundary of that particular object. So here you can see it's a diagram of a rectangle. So the perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of all sides, okay, and its unit is same as the unit of its length. It means that if the perimeter, the sides of the rectangle is given in centimeter, then the perimeter will also be in centimeter. So here the perimeter is 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7, that is 20 centimeter. Okay, so now the next term came in is area. So what is area? Area of any closed figure is the surface enclosed by the perimeter, and its unit is square of the unit of the length. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about the area of triangle. So area of triangle already we have learned, but now in this chapter we will calculate the area of triangle by using the Heron's formula. So the general formula for finding the area of triangle is, if the height is given, is area of triangle is half of base into height. This is the general formula. Now area of a right angle triangle. Here you can see the given figure is of a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, we have to find the area of a right angle triangle. Then we can use the above formula. What is that? Half of base into altitude directly. So the two sides of the right angle, any one of can be taken as height and other can be taken as base. So area of this particular right angle triangle is half of 3 into 4, that is base into height. So that will be equal to 6 centimeter square. As we know that the area is calculated as a unit of the area is the square of the length of the side. Now remark that we can take any of the side as base and any other side as the perpendicular, or you can say height. The next is area of equilateral triangle. If all the three sides are equal, then it is said to be an equilateral triangle. In an equilateral triangle, first we need to find the height by making an median of the triangle. That means we have to put an altitude from the height of the triangle. So here you can see in this diagram that altitude is drawn in this figure. So here the equilateral triangle has the sides of equal of length 10 centimeter. If we take the midpoint of BC, then it will divide the triangle into two right angle triangle. Now we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find the height of the triangle, that is AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Here BD is equal to 5 centimeter. So by using this Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate the height of this triangle. So here AD square is equal to 10 square minus 5 square, that is 100 minus 25 is equal to 75. So AD would be equal to 5 under root 3. Now we can find the area of triangle by using the general formula, that is half of base into altitude. So here half into base, that is 10 centimeter, and into height is equal to 5 root 3. So the area is 25 root 3. Okay. Now the third is, one is the area of isosceles triangle. In the isosceles triangle also we need to find the height of the triangle, then calculate the area of the triangle. So you can see that the isosceles triangle is given to you. That means the two sides of the given triangle are equal. Here to calculate the height we will again use the Pythagoras theorem, that is under root 8 square minus 2 square, that is 64 minus 4, that is under root 60. So 2 root 15 will be the height of the triangle. So now again using the general formula, that is half of base into height, we will calculate the area of this triangle. So half of 4 into 2 root 15, that is 4 root 15 centimeter square. So this is how we calculate the area of the triangle. Now, how to calculate area of a triangle by Heron's formula. The formula of area of a triangle is given by Heron. That's why it is known as Heron's formula. It is also called as Heron's formula on the name of the mathematician who discovered this formula. So, area of triangle is equal to under root S multiplied by S minus A multiplied by S minus B multiplied by S minus C, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle and S is the semi-perimeter. What does it semi-perimeter means? It means half of the perimeter. So to calculate, S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, or you can, if the perimeter is given to you, you can directly divide it by 2 and get the value of S. The general formula is used when the height of the triangle is not given to us, or we can't calculate the height of the triangle, and this formula is generally used in scalene triangles.